The chief of the South Carolina Law Enforcement Division, SLED as it's known, is slamming a Rock Hill congressman who alleges the agency failed to do its job leading up to the murder of a local college student.
We've been following the case of Logan Federico since May. The 22-year-old college student from Waxhaw was killed during a random home invasion while she was visiting friends in Columbia.
Police say repeat offender Alexander Dickey broke into the home where Federico was sleeping. They say he stole her money before fatally shooting her. He was arrested several days later.
The system is broken, and I plan to turn it on its head.
Federico's father, who you just heard from there, has been very outspoken about her case and his frustrations over the state's judicial system. Multiple public officials say they're also frustrated by the case. Republican Representative Ralph Norman sent a letter to SLED on Thursday. Norman, who represents multiple counties including York, Chester, and Lancaster, pointed to Alexander Dickey's long criminal history. He accused the agency of having an incomplete criminal record. When SLED receives new fingerprints, it updates a person's criminal record. In the letter, Representative Norman wrote in part, quote, "Logan Federico is dead because a violent repeat offender's record was full of holes," end quote. Dickey's criminal history goes back to 2014. On Friday, the chief of SLED responded in part, quote, "I will not allow the integrity of SLED and our hardworking employees to be unduly tarnished in exchange for political talking points," end quote. Chief Mark Keel says his agency has instructed local sheriffs and jail administrators of the importance of getting someone's fingerprints when they're booked and when they're given additional charges while incarcerated. Chief Keel says without these fingerprints being submitted, recorded criminal histories can have gaps. He says there are many things for courts to consider with each case, but, quote, "they can only do so if local officials perform their statutory responsibilities and ensure the information is obtained and transmitted." The South Carolina Attorney General and gubernatorial candidate Alan Wilson is urging the court to seek the death penalty against Dickey. Also, news